Okay, so a very quick tip on using ChatGPT and Google Gemini for generating code, but really at a basic level, doing things like interactive content. Now, a lot of people are really struggling to do this stuff. And I've kind of worked out a little tip that makes a big difference. And this is just from being in a training course, demoing something live, and then people going, where are you getting that button from? So I just want to explain what I'm talking about. Okay, so if I go into ChatGPT or Gemini and I get it to write some code, you'll end up seeing something like you can see on the screen now. So what you've got is a load of code that it's written. In this case, it's HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets, and a load of JavaScript to create some interactive content. Now, then what I've got to do is take that code, put it into a file, turn that into an HTML file, so change the ending of the file, and then launch that into a browser. So there's a few steps between writing the code, copying and pasting it out, and actually getting to visualize it. However, really simply, if I do the same thing, but I just go through and switch on canvas mode, which you can see is the little button here, as I'm showing on the screen, and you can do that in Gemini and ChatGPT, and then do the same thing. It writes the code for me, but now I get a different interface and I can interact with the code. But really importantly, what I get is a preview button. And when I hit that preview button, as you can see here, I get a preview of the code that's showing up. Now, what I can do, if it's written the code already and I didn't put it into preview mode, I can then click show this in Canvas, and in Canvas, it will then load up and it will show me that preview mode again. It's a very small thing, but it's the amazing amount of times that I've been going through demoing this slide and people go, I've never seen that preview mode before. And it's simply using Canvas mode to interactively write content. So give it a go. Try it out in ChatGPT or in Google Gemini. And it's a real game changer because then you can go through and keep iterating your instructions, improving what it's creating. And then you can download that as a file or the copy and deploy that to your website if you want to. Or, and we'll comment this in another video, you can create interactive tools that you can use that you don't even need to deploy, but we'll come to that in another video. So I hope this tip's been useful.